This is a Delta 10-inch table saw. It's got the dual side tables. It's got the speed fence. You just slide it anywhere you want. Lock it in. Locks real good. It's also got the miter. Any angle you want. Up to 90 degrees, any direction. Runs off a standard 110 volt. You can see all the info there. 15 amp, 5500 RPM blades. It's got your angle settings. You use that any which way you want. It'll tilt your blade. You also got raise and lower. It's a good looking saw all the way around. Hasn't been abused, just been set in a while. Very nice Delta 10-inch table saw, and it does work.